Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find lives on the Flashscore application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the live section next to the all games button at the bottom of the page, and here you can check the footballs live and for example, if you click one, you can check the live standing and the overall, the top scores, the home and away, and the form. And if you're curious about the result, just click to the results button next to the standings option, and here you can check. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.